Hi everyone. So take a look what I just got. So this is called Ink London, and it's a UK company. They make gels, they make liquid and powder systems, but these are gels and they are supposed to have a really cool consistency. So first of all, oh my God, I'm in Canada and I received it in like 2 days. Incredible shipping. So let's check them out. Okay, this one is, oh my God, this is exciting. Hold on, I'll show you that next. This one, I've opened it. It's a clear gel. So this one is called the Jelly Pro. And it's supposed to have a very interesting consistency. Like a fluffy kind of a light. I think it's kind of similar to Brisa, to be honest with you. As you can see, it seems very soft, but it doesn't move. So I'm going to be using it on Monday. I have one client who's a friend of mine and she loves trying different things. So so this one is called Violet Clear. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna show you the best one last. Milky White. And this one, ooh, okay, so it's like hope you can see the color. It's kind of like a purplish a little bit, but it's soft. Okay, and then this one is called Pink Mask Pearl. Check this out. Check this out. Oh my God. I'm not even kidding you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do my friend's nails. It has like a beautiful shimmer. It looks like candy. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna use this on Monday. And I will make a video for sure of this application, and I will post it on Patreon, and the link is in my bio if you guys are watching on Instagram. Okay, and this one is, okay, so this is eye gel. So it's a self-leveling one. I'm gonna actually dig into this one to kind of show you the consistency, but it has a beautiful color. They actually sent me this as a sample. Okay, so it's a soft kind of a gel, nice pink color. Perfect. And these two are primers. This one is then the non-acid primer, and this is acidic primer. And like I said, we'll be testing these on Monday. Check out the link in my bio, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.